Look at your neighbor, say neighbor. I hear your voice now, say neighbor. You are looking conquer. Turn to another neighbor, say neighbor. Say neighbor more. You are looking chai chineke. Now give that neighbor a high five, say neighbor, I love you. You when you shout, hey, what do you hear? My name is Emeka Nonso Victor Peter, so I'm going to I'm a comedian. That's why they laugh. Only my name, my boy, they laugh. How many of you, when you smile, your mama beat you? I see your hand. No, not say everybody, not everybody they beat. You get children when they say, even when they throw a soup, they will just look them. Junior, why did you do that? Now go to your room. They don't beat her with that. You follow for that country. See, now when your mama, when you do something, but now your mama will beat you, right? Your own better. Me, my mommy beat me in advance. I never do anything. She could just call me, Amy. I say, ma. And you know when you they run off from where you they play, you see your mama posture. You go know whether all is well or not. True of us. As I run, I just look at them, my mom in car. There's something we call Ochieze in Igbo. You know what Ochieze means? Laugh when they for teeth. My mom can just laugh. First set, second set. Yeah, you did. See, don't even talk with this. Don't do anything. They make me say you. I don't say you don't do anything, but I come out now. And by the time I come back, you don't do something. I'm not going to see you catch me ever. I just say the way my mama they take me to me, 9 was past until I see my neighbor. Baba, with it, now you know say when you live with Yoruba people, you go learn their ways. This my neighbor, now Baba Sikiru. Baba Sikiru not the waka like normal human being, like this is the waka. Baba Sikiru you walk and for bus stop you day. Wow, overloaded that. Now you walk. So that day he just come back, he just call it begin. Sikiru! Sikiru just there for my car, he no answer. He said Sikiru! Sikiru just ask, sir! He said body! Begin when the guy papa where he gets. As if they come out and like this they come. As if papa say and they come, he say, Sikiru! As if papa they punch and now he do like this. Now you look at papa say, Daddy, ensure you, all of Ango, man, he say, Sikiru, I'm going to teach you. You know there's a difference between fat, many, and enormous. My mom not a cat walk because she's not slim. My mom hippo walks. It's a little joke. My mom not fat. She's not many. She's enormous. Even for church, they give her a special seat as elder. They sit na 3 of one bed like 1, 2, 3. So say and if you sit down, even a hand they follow sit down. My mom don't have time to beat you anyhow. My mom won't beat my sister. I know they beat her the way they did because she will just drag her from Informer my sister worked for 3 years. The only thing they use on her salary right now. Perfume. She's so arrogant to you. You got like here. And they come like here. Remember the Bible says Jesus was sleeping and one of the disciples came to wake him. Do you know the disciple? Peter, now, that aggressive one. You know his name for Yoruba, Peter. Jesus is asleep, see Peter. Only one. Oh, no, it's not going to be nice about one. You know, never let go up. You never go up. Wait, easy. In a kura or there means what? In a snore, read before that place. The Bible recorded that Jesus Christ and his disciples journeyed from my dad, he won't snore. Should I say it or should I finish that joke? Like I say this or they finish the joke. If my daddy they snore, let's say they put up for gear. You know the story, right? What did Jesus reply him? Jesus woke and said what? Oh, ye of man. He goes on the school. Jesus just stand up. Oh, the Bible recorded he stood at the edge of the ship, stretched forth his hand and said what? Again? How many words? See Jesus Christ, Igbo version. Daddy, you want to hear this one here? He stretched forth his hand and said, Jesus Christ on your ground, Jesus Christ Jesus Christ, I didn't take our lights till now. I won't watch the